Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna unbox this new Redmi A4 5G smartphone. So let's open this and let's talk about its front. Here you can see the MI branding at the top, made in India smartphone, and at this side you will see a Redmi branding, Redmi by Xiaomi, and at this side you will see India's most loved brand 2023. At the back you will see some specification. So let's just open it, and here you can see the phone handset. Let's keep it aside and check what is in the box. Here you can see a tray and a 33-volt of fast charging adapter given in the box accessories, and it is designed by Xiaomi, and a charging cable that is USB to type C. And here you can see the SIM tool. Let's open it. You will see a quick start guide. If you want, you can read it. So let's keep it inside and unwrap our new smartphone. And as you can see, friends, you can see its back design. It is quite glossy and glass finish, you can see. And here it is a Redmi 5G branding over there, and its display size is 6.88 inches HD plus display. And talking about its camera, is 50 megapixel camera, dual camera, and front camera is 5 megapixel. And you can see its ports also. It is a volume rocker button, volume up, volume down, power on off. At the bottom you will find, here it is a speaker, type C charging port, a microphone. At this side you will see a SIM tray. From here you have to just insert a SIM card and SD card. At the top you will see a 3.5 audio jack if you want to put earphones or headphones. So let's open the smartphone. So friends, let's open it, and you can see how smooth the display is. It is the largest and the smoothest display in this segment, smoother than butter with the 120 Hz refresh rate. Now content move at the speed you want to consume it. You can check it in this settings. Just type refresh rate and tap on it. Here you can see it has 60 Hz and 120 Hz. Just select it. Using higher refresh rate makes viewing experience smoother, but it will take or consume more power and consumes the battery life also. And you can see you can play any game you want. It has 120 Hz of refresh rate, and you can see it is in black color. It has one more color, that is purple, and storage is 4 GB, 128 GB, and other is 4 GB and 64 GB. So let's open and check the video quality. You have to click on this YouTube. Friends, as you can see the quality of the video, and I will show you in full brightness also. You can check in the settings quality, as you can watch this video in 1080 pixel at 60 fps. This is the highest resolution you can watch it, and you can zoom up to 8x zoom like this. It can't be blur anymore. And let's check its sound test also.
till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Friends, you can see its speaker quality is good, and it high volume. You will feel the music also. And let's see its camera also. I have taken some picture, I will show you. Let's first check the video quality, how much resolution you can record a video. Here it is, a 720 pixel at 30 fps and 1080 pixel at 30 fps. You can record a video. And here it is a selfie I have taken, and you can see its contrast and the brightness of this photo is good. And it is a 50 megapixel camera photo, and you can see the detailing of this picture. It will show all the trees and other, and it will be in full screen. And here it is a portrait photo. At the back it is blurred, and the main focus is on the this tree. Let's see is its other settings. In settings, just click on settings, click on about phone. Here it is the storage 128 GB. OS version is 1.0.2.0, and Android version is 14. And it has 5160 mAh of battery. That is quite large. You can it last up to 2 days also. And battery with 18 volt of fast charging. And you can see the processor in detailed info and specs also. Its CPU means processor is Snapdragon 4S Gen 2 mobile platform, octa-core max 2.0 gigahertz. And you can see its model also. And it's talking about its glass. It is a secured glass, premium hello glass, and with sandwich design. And it has more than 3 security features also. You can check it in the settings also. Just click on settings. Here it is security, fingerprint, face data. It has more than 3. It has fourth, unlock with Bluetooth device. If you have smartwatch or smart any gadget, you have to connect it and you have to raise it with your smartwatch. It will open your smartphone. As you can see, you can add your face data from here. Just click on face, apply the password. Here it is add face data. Enable the password. Just click on start and click on next. And now you can see it is done. The face data is added. Now just turn off the smartphone and turn on it. It will open it. If you want to buy this, I have given the link in the description. You can check it out there. I hope you like this unboxing video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.